Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Gonna make some really simple fried fish today. Now you could be using any fish that you want. I'm using a fish called Sheri. It also has other names. I'll explain about that in a moment. Any whole fish works really well. All we're gonna do is get a lovely little few spices together, rub it on, fry it. It is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's first take a look at our fish. So this is called Sheri fish, also known as emperor fish or green snapper. It has other various names as well. It's quite a small fish, not that big. Now what I've done with these is I've got these fresh and I cleaned them. So cleaning means tail off, the wings as I call them, the top fins there, and then inside we've cut them open and I've cleaned them out. If you don't know how to do that or you don't want to do it, your fishmonger can do that for you. So yes, like I say, nice little fish, really tasty. And then you can see we've cut some, just scored the fish in there just to open it out, just down to the bone, not all the way through. That's it really. Let's get some spices together, get it on. It's really easy, this one. So these are the spices that I'm using today on these, and these are about 2 teaspoons each, so they're all equal parts. Salt and pepper, cumin and turmeric, coriander and green cardamon. If you want, you can be adding some chili to this. I'm going to stay away from that today. And if you wanted maybe some black lemon or black lime powder, could also be really nice. But yeah, I'm just going to use these 6 spices. All we're going to do is we're going to give them a little mix together, and then we're going to rub them on and in the fish. Then we're going to fry them. Very, very easy. Okay, so as you can see, our fish is now in the mixing bowl. I've got my special rubber glove on just to help it along. There's our little masala mix. Really easy. Get it all over. And then just spend a minute or two grabbing it, getting some on the inside, rubbing it around, and we're really ready for the cooker. So easy. You see those slits that we cut into it, that's where we scored it. Try and push a little bit of masala in there. Get as much as you can, all over it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Next thing is we're going to be at the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got my favourite wok at the moment. Now, if you want, you can shallow fry these or deep fry. It's entirely up to you. I've got about 3 or 4 centimetres of a vegetable oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. Just getting that nice and hot. Okay, I think the oil's ready. Simply, we're just going to drop these in. As you can see, nice hot oil. And I'm going to cook these ones. I mean, they're not massive, these fish. I'm going to cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes. I'm going to flip them once or twice. I actually want to kind of overcook them. I want them to be quite crispy. But yeah, you can sort of undercook them if you like, or however you want really. But yeah, I like them to be crispy, so I'm going to go for about sort of 7 minutes, I suppose. Okay, these are exactly where I want them to be. Off goes the heat. Going to get them out. Get them onto some kitchen paper, kitchen towel, whatever you call that. Get any excess oil off, and I'll see you at the table. And that's it. Super easy. I'm serving this with some white rice, little sprinkle of sumac on the top there, just for a bit of colour, and a nice little onion, tomato, parsley, and a few olive salad in there with a little bit of olive oil and lemon juice. A little bit more lemon juice on the top of these guys, and they're done. Absolutely wonderful. Super happy with these. They're super easy. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.